Welcome. Before anything else, give yourself permission to take the next few minutes just to reset. You don't need to earn this pause. You don't need to be finished with anything. For these next few minutes, nothing else needs your attention. If the body feels tired, that makes sense. If the mind is still moving, that's okay too. You're not here to fix anything. You're just here to pause. Take a slow breath in through the nose and let it out gently through the mouth. Nothing forced, nothing counted, just a small reset. Take another slow breath in and a longer breath out. As you exhale, let something soften. Maybe the shoulders drop a little. Maybe the jaw unclenches. Maybe the breath becomes quieter. There's no right place to start. Even a small release is enough. Notice where the body is supported. The surface beneath you. The way you're being held without effort. You don't have to hold yourself together in this moment. Take one more slow breath in and let it out. Imagine setting something down. Nothing fixing it. Nothing solving it. Just place it aside. It could be a thought, a worry, a sense of pressure to keep going. You don't need to name it. Just allow the body to let go of whatever is ready to release. If more remains, that's fine. This isn't about clearing everything. It's about creating a little space. Notice the breath again, moving in and moving out. The body already knows how to reset, and it's given permission. There's nothing else you need to do now. No next step, no preparation, just a quiet pause inside the day. Let the breath continue naturally. Let the body stay supported. And when you're ready to move on, you can do so slow. For now, this moment is enough. Be still, be rooted, be free.